ready?
Say something.
Hey, Justin and Leon here, FNK Classic Cars.
Word.
How you doing?
You know, pretty good.
How you all doing?
The sun's shining. It's not too terribly hot.
Yeah, it's a nice
It's a
day.
little warm, but not too bad.
We've got ourselves, you're right. We're trying to take this seriously, folks,
Yeah,
but
sorry.
you know.
This is a Caprice we have.
It's a 66 big block.
Yeah,
And,
don't say big block yet. I was going to have
Oh, all right, it's not a big block yet.
It will be in a minute.
All right. It's not yet.
So you want to start under the hood?
We may as well. Seems like we always do.
Yeah, well, you already gave it away.
There it is. It even says so right there. That's how I knew.
Yeah, I know, but you weren't supposed to tell them.
It was a secret.
Look, it's a
Surprise.
brand new radiator.
Radiator. It radiates.
Yeah, it radiates. It's got a Optima battery. That's
Optima
pretty
performance.
optimum.
Mm-hmm.
And
It's got big fat valve covers.
It does. That looks really good in there.
Can't go wrong with big fat
Brand
valve
new
covers.
master cylinder. Guy did, fixed the brake lines.
Got some new plug-in wires on it.
Oh yeah, he did a tune-up on it. Rebuilt the carburetor.
What's that guy say? Lightning sticks? No, lightning cables.
Cables.
Yeah.
Lightning cables. You can't steal that though.
No, I'm not.
Copyrighted.
I'm just.
And he's probably going to message you tonight and tell you to stick
Yeah.
it
Take
up
your
there.
video down, guys. All right. Thanks a lot, Mister.
Mister. So this is a butternut yellow with a black interior. With was a black vinyl top. They peeled it off and just painted it black because the roof was really nice. So he just painted it.
Yeah, it's actually the roof's in good shape.
Oh yeah, this car's really decent. I mean, it's a couple little dents, but it's a really nice car. It's. Come here a minute.
I'm coming
Come
over.
here a minute. Look at the odometer. That's true mileage, 60 whatever. That's original mileage.
Right. That's recorded, verified.
Original mileage. Came out of Virginia. It's a very nice car. Dry, minimal rust. Very slight amount. Nice headliner.
I like
Seats
the
are in pretty good
spotlights.
shape. Yeah, the spotlights are cool. It needs a couple things and a paint job, to make it really nice.
We'll get it there.
Yeah, I really like it.
These door cards are in nice shape.
Yeah.
Interiors. The only thing I can find wrong is it's got one little spot on the seat
Where it's
there,
coming apart
and the top's
that's
there,
just from sun on the back.
and everything else is really
Headliner's
nice.
really nice. Oh, it's got.
This thing's
It's a
gonna.
nice car. No black pinstripe on it. It's got the stainless steel door edge guards from the factory. It's just a neat piece. It's Caprice. It's got all the bells and whistles. Power steering, power brakes.
It's got a little schmutzy on the trunk we got to fix.
Yeah, that ain't a big deal.
Nope.
It's just somebody straightened a dent there before and the plastic let loose.
Right.
We'll pull it out.
It's got guards, bumper guards on it.
Yeah, bumper guards.
This will be like an early season
It's got a really
car
cool
because of
setup.
the spotlights there.
Wire wheel covers. I love that.
Mm-hmm.
With the spinners. But it's a nice car. Drives good. Needs a windshield, but we're going to put a windshield
Yeah.
in it.
I like the permanently upped wipers. That's cool.
Well, we got to figure out what's the deal with that. I think the wiper switch is actually bad. I don't think it's a motor. I think the switch is bad. But
She's a good looking car.
yeah,
Straight. Look down the
nice.
side, dude.
Oh yeah, this.
Everybody, we
it looks
just
like
got
it's
this
had-
car, so we're kind of just figuring it out with you all right now.
It almost. We'll have to look for sure, but if you really look,
Mm-hmm.
it almost looks like it has not even had a respray because there's no like tape edge or nothing here. None of the weather strip is all black. I don't even think it's had a respray. I think this is
Yeah,
the
the stripping
original
is all
lacquer.
black. Nothing, no overspray on it.
Yeah, see, there's no.
Oh, yeah, there's no
I think
overspray
this
there.
is the original lacquer. What's left of it? Butternut yellow, 4-door hardtop. It's a really neat piece.
The big block really seals it for me,
Oh,
man.
yeah. The Blatta big block. It's really cool.
Yes.
396. Got the original everything, the original carburetor and everything. The guy rebuilt the original carburetor. Did a tune-up on it.
This thing is going to
points,
come
plugs,
out
wires.
beautifully.
Oh yeah.
You want to take it for a drive?
Yeah, why not?
Let's do it.
You got. Yeah, we'll do that.
Let's do it. You ready?
Let's get inside of it. It'll be easier.
Why? I'm going to ride back here.
Okay.
All right,
See
bye.
how long you can hang on.
So look at that dash pad, dude.
Oh yeah.
That thing is like, it's perfect. I hear some bugs flying around in here.
There's a wood grain on the dash. The steering wheel is not wore.
There's no cracks in it.
the corner of the brake pedal. You can tell it's a 60,000 mile car. It's not a.
There's the turn signal lever down there. That's a good place for it.
Oh yeah.
There's my foot. Dude, it is nice in here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. You can see there.
Headliner's
seat,
really nice. It's got the fold down armrest in the back seat, which is cool. Rear option, not a rear option, but a cool option.
Let's take that Fly for a drive, shall we?
You ready?
Yeah.
You don't sit on my lap.
I'm not trying to. Well, this car sounds good.
Yeah, it does. It's driving. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Put in D for drag race.
That radio says it's all transistor.
Great. Plays really loud here.
Does it? Man, that's good music.
All right, here I go, driving.
Sounds like it wants to do
I
something.
think we can make it up this hill.
We can try. I don't know how good it'll go.
Who cares? Oh, well, this is our car, isn't it? So we probably shouldn't wreck it.
No.
Here we go, I'm driving. Look
Next
out.
person can wreck it.
Look out. I'm driving. It's dangerous.
There's a Fly or a B in here, so.
It's a Fly.
Okay.
If it was a B, I would poop my pants and I'd be out of the car.
Right, if you see us suddenly fly out of the car, you know why.
Because there's a B in it, and the car would be going down the street by itself.
Right.
What happened to the car?
Well, there was a bee in the car, so we had to burn it.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready. Last night, on the way home,
Yes.
I was going down the highway in my Suburban,
All right.
and a spider decided to come down off of the sun visor
Yes.
and onto my lap.
You ever heard about the spider in Little Miss Muffet?
I have.
Yeah.
Sat down beside her. I actually
Yes.
pulled off on the shoulder and screamed like a little girl and killed it.
Yeah.
I wasn't having it.
You know what that spider said?
I'm dead.
Nah.
Huh.
The spider, Little Miss Muffet, he said, sat down beside her and looked at her and said, "What's in the bowl, bitch?"
Little old Andrew Dice Clay.
Yeah. I hope that isn't copyrighted, sir. Sorry.
It might be.
All right, I'm turning. I got the turn signal on right now. Just kidding.
Just kidding. Turn signal's optional. At this
Keep
point.
right. Why can't we go left? I don't understand.
I wonder how long it's been since this car has gone out for an actual drive.
37 years.
Probably about that.
Nah, it's been a minute. A couple of minutes.
The wipers are ready. They're in. They're
Loaded,
ready for-
to go.
action.
Ready for action.
It's got rain sensing wipers.
Yeah.
It's sensing that rain's coming.
Yeah, that's why the wipers are up and ready to go. Well, who knows? Maybe the wiper got in the Viagra bottle or something.
That's what it looks like. She took 2 Viagras and called you in the morning. Yeah, y'all missed that. Leon just about ran into a Honda Pilot.
That's not a big deal.
This car would have been fine.
Yeah,
I'm pretty sure of that. She rides along pretty good.
Yeah, it drives nice, straight, don't pull. Brakes seem to work. I mean, that's always good.
I should have tested that before we got out here on the main
live
road.
on the edge. Check out the brakes later. You gotta worry about going fast, and then you worry about
Right,
stopping.
fast first,
And then
stop later.
Yeah.
I get it. I agree.
But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a turn for the worst. Now, actually, I'm gonna take a right up here,
Uh-huh.
and then we'll go down here, and then turn and drive around a little bit, and then come back a little bit.
And then we'll talk about it a little bit.
Yeah.
And that'll be it. For a little bit.
Yeah, for just a tiny bit, smidge.
A scotch.
Yeah, this is a nice car, man. 396 is bad. Turbo 400, 12-bolt rear.
Mm-hmm. She's got all the fixings, all the
Power
goodies.
steering, power brakes. Has a steering wheel. Yeah, that's a nice option. You don't have to use vice grips.
Yep.
I mean, I always
Windows wind down so you can use hand turn signals.
Yes.
It's got spotlights.
Yeah.
In case
If you
you wanna
wonder
look
when
at
I'm
stuff.
turning, watch for finger.
Watch for finger. Nothing's fallen off of it yet.
No, this is pretty tight. I mean, a lot of the cars we get, parts
Yeah,
fall
stuff's
off,
in
and then
it,
we have to backtrack and pick them up. but
Yep. This one's
one's
so
doing
far
really
good. Yeah. This is the first time we've taken it out of the yard since we unloaded it. So
Yeah, well, basically, haven't done nothing with it.
yeah.
We unloaded off the truck, and then you guys have shared the experience.
Yeah,
with us.
so
I hope you love it.
We're doing this right from the beginning with you.
If you don't love it, well, I'm sorry that you don't. And no refunds.
Yeah. I did peek underneath. The floors are in good shape. We did do a frame repair on the driver's side, and that looks real good.
Yeah, it was just very minimal. It was just a little bit of pinholes. We cut it all out.
Yep.
A big piece of metal. in
Made it all purdy.
And it looks really nice.
Yep.
That was all.
Trunk floor is decent. It's got one little spot, but we'll fix that
Address
up.
it.
Yeah.
The brakes really work good.
That's good. Does the steering work? I mean, I
Yeah.
guess so. We made it this far.
We turned, and I took a turn for the worst. We could take a turn for the worst. We could drive up through somebody's living room. That would be
Let's do that.
spectacular. You're gonna love it.
Yeah. I think as we work on this car, we'll come back and do some updated videos, and at the end, maybe we'll even string it all together, do a before and after.
Yeah, there you go.
Catch all the details so you can see it in one shot.
How you been, mister? That was mister.
He's in a swimming pool. We ought to go dive in.
Well, we don't really know.
Eh,
That could be an issue.
we're famous YouTube personalities. He has to know who we are.
I doubt it.
Oh, come on now. You all know who we are, right? You can't make up your mind. Go that way.
I'm lost. How do I get lost in here?
We got lost in the neighborhood in our own town.
Yeah. I'm like,
Oh, there it is.
oh yeah, there it is.
There's the road.
But this car is going to be really nice. You should tell us whether we should put it back semi-stock
Yeah,
or should we
factory.
do it all black and make a supernatural inspired street of the machine.
Yeah.
Machine of the street.
You can do it black with the rims, and
Or should we
you
do
can put it back butternut.
butternut yellow with a black roof?
Yeah.
Because
I
it
do like
does
the
look
black
cool.
roof on this car. That looks
Yeah.
really cool. Or
Yeah.
what color would you put on it?
Yeah.
Leave us a condiment. I mean a comment.
Comment, yes.
It's got a little bit of oomph too, man.
Yeah, that's like,
I thought you were going to take us out in the cornfield.
yeah, that's like quarter throttle. This thing runs good. Transmission shift's nice and firm. Old turbo 400.
I feel pretty good about this car.
Oh yeah, this thing drives really good. I like this car the way it is. I think it would be cool.
Yeah.
Painted back butternut yellow,
Yep.
black roof.
Yep.
I think that would be really cool.
As nice as this interior is,
I wonder, do you think?
I don't usually, but oh, what? Sorry.
Do you think these spotlights are factory?
I don't know. They say
Do you think
they
this-
say GE on them. I
Do you
noticed that
think,
on the glass.
I was talking to an old friend of mine about this car, and we decided because it's a Caprice, it definitely was not a
Cop car.
top car. But I was wondering, do you think it could have been a fire chief's car or something?
Oh. You know, it could have been. Your spotlight says something on the front in red lettering, but I can't. I think mine does. Oh, it just says Chevrolet.
Oh, so they
Look
are
at that.
factory.
They are factory.
That's cool.
That's interesting.
Yeah, it is. I think that's cool that they got the spotlights on it. But
It could have been a Chiefs car.
yeah, fire chief or something. Yeah, I think it's super clean and it's just a nice driving car.
Yeah.
And being low mileage and all that. Suspension's not wore out.
But now that we've taken out for a
Motor's
drive,
not hurt.
she's really running good too.
Oh yeah. None of the little lights are on. It doesn't get hot. Oil pressure's good. You know, it's just a nice little car. Well, big car.
Big car, yeah.
Nice little big car.
Hey, did you notice the channel's growing?
No, I didn't.
605 subscribers.
Well, thanks, guys. That's nice.
We really appreciate it.
Subscription Nation.
If this is your first time watching a video, or if you haven't subscribed yet, please press the subscribe button.
Yeah.
You can click the notification bell, and that'll let you know when a new video goes up, which is usually every Sunday evening. And leave comments, like the video. All that stuff helps us. It keeps us motivated to keep doing these videos.
And when he says Sunday evening, that's Eastern Standard Time. So
Yeah.
if you live across the world from us, it could be in Saturday.
Or it could be Monday early in the morning.
Yes. Oh man, that thing
It does got some oomph.
little ass to her. I like it. I like it a lot.
Me too. That's Leon. You're staring at Leon playing with the windows. Say hi, Leon. Well, thanks for riding along with us.
Hey, thank you guys. This was a nice ride. It really runs good. It's fun to drive.
Yeah.
Suspension feels nice and tight. Brakes work good. Steering's tight.
Yep.
What are your thoughts?
I think it's a great car.
Oh, he thinks it's a great car. So
I'd like to know what everybody thinks as far as making it a supernatural inspired car, or putting it back original, or something else even.
I know, you guys know this from the past, but it definitely wouldn't hurt my feelings to see it go back butternut yellow with a black top. But
especially with it being that this is original paint on it right now. Yeah.
Well, the reason I say that is, we did that burnt orange car. That came out beautiful.
Right.
With the off-white top. Man, that car really came out phenomenal.
Yeah.
And those people are very happy with that car.
Yeah.
It's in Michigan now.
Yeah. And we did one like this. We did a couple like this in black that came out real nice with the rims.
But like I say, this is original 396 car, so 63,000 miles. If somebody would like to have it original, let us know.
Yeah, or the other way even.
Yeah.
And you can go back and check our other videos. There's videos on those cars.
Yeah, the burnt orange Caprice, it was a nice car like this to start with. We straightened the dents and painted it back to factory.
Oh, it came out absolutely stunning.
Yeah, that was a very nice
Check out that video. In fact, we've got, I think this here will push us close to 60 videos now on the channel. We're almost at a year having done this. So we really appreciate everybody watching and subscribing. It keeps us motivated.
Yeah, and let us know what you think of the car and what you think of our videos, and if you're interested in having us video one of your cars, let us know.
Yeah, we'd be happy to have you here, or if you're nearby, we'll come to you.
Yeah.
Well, I guess that's it for now. Stay tuned for the next episode.
Yes.
We'll do some updates on this one. We've got a video coming up with our friend Tom at One Man's Junk. We're looking forward to sharing with you. So I guess until next time, you're going to love it.